Hi, everyone, welcome to Cisdem channel. If you come across an error message, the code execution cannot proceed because EMP.dll was not found during gameplay, relax, watch this video for solutions. Here 5 ways will be introduced to fix EMP.dll not found issue. Fix 1. Restore EMP.dll from Windows Security. In Start menu search for Virus and Threat Protection, open it. Choose Protection History. Click the down arrow next to Filters. Select Quarantined Items. If EMP.dll is present, locate it. Click Actions, choose Restore to resolve the EMP.dll not found issue. Fix 2. Recover missing EMP.dll file with Cisdem Data Recovery. No matter what is the reason that leads to EMP.dll not found, Cisdem Data Recovery can find the missing file back. Just download it from Cisdem official site. Install and launch the app on your PC. Choose Hardware Disk. Select the location where EMP.dll was stored. And click Search for lost data. Wait for the scanning to complete. Go to Type, Others to look for the missing EMP.dll file. Or you can do a quick search in the search box at the top right corner. Find and select the EMP.dll file. Click Recover for retrieval. Then copy and paste the EMP.dll into your game directory. For example, if you are playing Hogwarts Legacy, paste the file in this folder, Hogwarts Legacy, Phoenix, Binaries, Win64. Finally, reopen your game to check if EMP.dll not found error has been solved. Fix 3. Verify the integrity of game files. Step 1. Open Steam app, find your problematic game within Game Library. Step 2. Right-click on the game title and select Properties. Step 3. In Local Files tab, choose Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait for the game to be validated. Step 4. Re-access to the game to check if EMP.dll not found is fixed. Fix 4. Update GPU driver. On desktop, press Windows + X, choose Device Manager. Expand the display adapters, right-click on your GPU, choose Update Driver. Go for Search automatically for drivers. After updating, restart the Windows and verify if EMP.dll not found error has been solved. Fix 5. Perform Windows System Restore. Press Windows + R to initiate Run box. Input our strui.exe, click OK to launch System Recovery Utility. Continue to choose Next button. Select a restore point before EMP.dll not found error showed up and click Next. Click Finish to confirm the restore point and start the system restore. After restoration, your computer will reboot by default. The missing EMP.dll should show up again. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.